Good morning. Today we're at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Unfortunately today we're not vlogging, however this reminded me of our last trip and it brings me to the point of today's video. Last time when we came here was April and we actually got a ride evac, our first ever ride evac here when we were on Wallace And Gromit's Thrill-O-Matic. So today I wanted to show you guys that and hopefully you enjoy it. I just thought I'd make a little intro to explain what it is. Evac is when the ride breaks down and you have to be evacuated from the ride. I thought it was a cool thing to happen really. We wanted to do the Wallace and Gromit's Grand Day Out, but the event was on a Sunday and we couldn't get back in time for work. So we pretty much got that experience for nothing. The ride broke down and this is exactly what happened. Enjoy guys.
May we have your attention, please? We would like to apologise that Wallace and Gromit's Thrill-O-Matic is currently experiencing a technical delay. A ride operator will be with you shortly and give you some more information. In the meantime, could you please remain seated, keeping your arms and legs inside the cars? Please do not stand up. Thank you very much.
In that water in my shoes, it's really not a good idea.
Yeah.
May we have your attention, please? We would like to apologise that Wallace and Gromit's Thrill-O-Matic is currently experiencing a technical delay. A ride operator will be with you shortly and give you some more information. In the meantime, could you please remain seated, keeping your arms and legs inside the cars? Please do not stand up. Thank you very much.
Make sure you're watching that there, guys.
That smells good.
More fun way here. Yeah.
This is ghost, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it is, yeah. So we keep walking forward, guys.
Here you had a spotted rabbit bug.
Hands to it. Yeah.
We got the walkthrough for free.
Oh, that was riveting. Well done, Chuck. Oh, that was riveting. Oh, that was riveting. Well done, Chuck. Oh, that was riveting. Well done, Chuck. Oh, that was riveting.